What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? Good morning. Another fantastic day. We got a lot to get into, guys. We're going to have a look at what's going on. Are you being faked out, shaked out before the breakout? Let's find out, guys. Let's see what's going on out there. We're going to look at some metrics. We're going to look at Bitcoin. Is this simply just a bear trap? Or is there more to the red that's in the market right now? Jasmy down 2.2 on the day, 5.5 on the week, 15.5 on the month, and 55.5 on the year. Up one spot in rank to 93, $625 million market cap, and 33.97 million in volume. Swift Coin down 3.8 on the day, 11 on the week, 21 on the month, but up 96.3 on the year. Down 3 spots in rank to 307, $103 million market cap, 766,136 in volume. Onyx Coin. Where's our Onyx Coin? There it is. Down 4.1 on the day, 0.3 on the week, 10% on the month, but up 764% on the year. Down 1 spot in rank to 113, $486 million market cap, and 15.75 million in volume. And ZBEC, where is our ZBEC? Actually up 4.5% on the day, down 14.3 on the week, 43.7 on the month, but up 190% on the year. Up 10 spots in rank to 160, $300 million market cap, and 24.07 million in volume. Let's look across the broader crypto market. Yeah, I got some red out there, guys. There's some great DCA opportunities out there. Hopefully you guys are not sleeping on it. Hopefully you have some dry powder. If you're over on the Patreon, you probably do have dry powder because you're always prepared, because that's what we teach you over there, right? So hopefully you guys are definitely scooping some stuff up here. Superverse, 62 cents, not bad. So yeah. Anyway, guys, let's continue on over to the Bitcoin chart, see what's going on over there. So we came down and perfectly, we touched the 30-day SMA. We wicked below it, but we're back above it now. And I did tell you guys yesterday we could come down and test this level at 106,000 as support, even wick down to touch the 30-day SMA, which we have in fact done. The question is, where does this daily candle close? That's what's important. That's what we need to pay attention to, because, guys, these candles wick all the time, right? I mean, look at this crazy wick candle right here. Crazy. But we have about 8 hours left of this, 8 hours? Yeah, 8 hours left of this daily candle. It could be green for all we know by the time it rolls around to the daily close. We'll see what happens. I know Powell's speaking today. He spoke this morning. So I'm going to get a little bit into that in the live stream, and we'll cover it. But yeah, a little bit of selling pressure there after a fantastic weekly and monthly close, guys. If you're bearish right now, you're making a mistake, man. The market is doing to you exactly what it's designed to do to you, right? You're falling for it hook, line, and sinker if you're feeling bearish right now, right? I mean, look at this. We're barely down over 2 days. We're down 2.26%. And I know there will be those people who say, that's Bitcoin. Altcoins are down worse. Yeah, guys, we've already been through that argument. It's a completely invalid argument, right? Because every other time Bitcoin has fallen down in the history of crypto, I compared it to the 2021 cycle in the past. Yes, altcoins fell worse than Bitcoin, but guess what? Afterwards, altcoins recovered bigger than Bitcoin did, right? So, you can't really use that. You're just, if you're feeling that way, in all honesty, guys, my heart goes out to you. You're just frustrated, and that's okay, right? A lot of people are frustrated. The market is designed to make you frustrated, right? You have to understand that. You have to be able to step back and understand that what's happening in terms of your emotions and stuff like that. Everyone's feeling that way. I feel that way too. Everyone does. Anyone who says they don't, liar. The thing is, How do you respond? How do you react? What are the choices that you make? That will define whether you are successful or unsuccessful in crypto, right? Can you control your emotions? Now, I know the people who lash out and jump into comments and attack and stuff like that, they clearly cannot control their emotions, right? So, and there's nothing we can do to save those people, unfortunately. I wish I could save them all. You can't save them all, right? They'll never see it until until the market is already like going parabolic, right? Then they'll finally see it. It's too late for them already. They're already spiraled too far into their emotional disaster, you know. And if this is you, please step back. Like, stop commenting negative stuff. Step back for a second. Zoom out on the charts. Look at the history of Bitcoin and the altcoins, whatever altcoin you love. Look at the chart on it, okay? And look at every big dump that happened on every whatever altcoin it is, or Bitcoin, or whatever it is. Just do this. Go look at the chart. Look at the big pullbacks and stuff like that, and then move forward in the chart, and you will see that every single time following a pullback is eventually a big move to the upside, right? So if you do that, you'll understand there is no reason for you to be angry or, lashing out at people or attacking and stuff like that and being toxic. There's no need for it, right? Just look back on the charts. That's all you got to do, right? And you'll see that you're overreacting and you're acting emotionally, right? I got nothing but love for even the people who hate me. I got nothing but love for you. Even that one guy who clicks dislike on every video. There's always one guy, because every video has one dislike, just one, right? It's got to be this one guy. Even that guy, man, I hope you win. I hope you succeed in this space. I hope you get your emotions under control, and I hope that you do fantastic. I hope you make life-changing wealth. That's what I hope for this entire community, whether you love me, you hate me, or you're indifferent about me, right? I want you to be able to step back and see the market for what it is. Guys, something big is about to happen in crypto. Does that mean tomorrow, today, the next day? No. But over the next couple of weeks, you have 5 months left. 5 months of discipline for financial freedom for the rest of your life. Do you have what it takes to control yourself for those 5 months is the question, right? And when the time comes, you have to control yourself in a negative way right now to stop yourself from spiraling and selling at lows and stuff like that. But then you also have to be able to control yourself when things go parabolic and you're emotional to the other side and you feel like it's going to go up forever and that you're a genius, right? You got to be able to be disciplined then too and sell. You have to be able to hit the sell button, right? So you definitely got to work. Think about your emotions like a gym, like a muscle. You got to get into it, man. You got to work it out. You got to go to failure every time, right? So just, guys, be patient. It's coming, right? We're so close. The cycle ends in 5 months, right? We're so close. Don't let it get to you now. I told you before, 5 months of discipline for the rest of your life of financial freedom. Do you have what it takes? That's the question, right? If we go over and we look at we'll look at the total 2, we'll look at the M2 money supply. But first, guys, really quick, a quick shout out to the channel. Let me bring them up on the screen real quick here. Decent Biometric Wallet. Big thank you to them, guys. Use our link down below. Get yourself a fantastic deal. I just covered another story yesterday of North Korea hacking another centralized exchange and stealing people's money. Guys, this is the second time in just a few months. They're targeting centralized exchanges. Keep your crypto safe. Keep it in your own self-custody, my friends. You can get the 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet, or you can get the card wallet. Absolutely fantastic deals, guys. You can take profits on there. You can swap on there without ever moving back to a centralized exchange. You can even stake all through the bear market, either your crypto or your stable coin, right on your Decent wallet, and it never leaves your custody, and you gain passive income. So check it out today, guys. Absolutely super fantastic. All right, now let's take a brief look over at the Total 2. Total 2 is in a bull flag right now, guys. If you have a look, right, which is the altcoin market cap, everything except for Bitcoin, right? We are in a bull flag getting ready to break to the upside here. This is going to be juicy. So we're set up bullish there. If we go look, let's look at the Russell, right? The Russell, if you don't know what the Russell is, it is basically the stock market's version of altcoins, right? The small cap. So it's micro small cap stocks, right? Now, why this is relevant to you is because it represents, when this starts going up, so do altcoins, okay? Because this represents the appetite of risk on assets for investors, right? And it is broken above the 200-day right now, right? It is above it. It's looking good. Now, again, why that's relevant is because the last time it broke above the 200-day back here, it went parabolic, as you can see right here. And so did, yes, so did the altcoin market cap at the exact same time, okay? Going back over to the Total 2. We'll go look at that, right? Total 2. As you can see, at the exact same time here, the altcoins went parabolic as well. This was the summer pullback of 2021 and then the blow off top. So when the Russell went up, so did the altcoins. So it's all lining up, guys. It's all lining up. Let's go have a look over at Bitcoin and the M2 money supply. Bitcoin still in its bull flag as well over here. As you can see, let's add back the M2 for a little bit of reference. Bring it down. Right, line it up. So things are looking very good for the next leg up. We're in the bull flag, getting ready for the breakout on Bitcoin. And look how juicy this is. We just put in another new local high yesterday for the M2, guys. Man, if you look at the move that's about to happen, are you kidding me right now? Going into, at this rate, the fall, September, October, right? Q3, Q4, guys. So absolutely. Just got to have patience, man. You just got to have patience. I'm showing you all the metrics right in front of your face, right? You just got to be patient. I'm going to buy again today. I'm going to buy my favorite altcoins. And I mean, who knows? Maybe I'll have enough time to start a fresh bag of something else and get enough of it to make a difference there too, right? I mean, that's just what I'm going to continue to do. I'm picking up 2 gems right now over on the Patreon, 2 of our microcap gems. I've been aggressively scooping those 2 up. They're going to be absolutely fantastic, man. I'm telling you. And do not forget, we also have our daily picks over there. We always, every single day, we drop 2 daily picks for top cryptos that are great entry points or DCA opportunities. Fantastic projects. You don't want to miss out on our daily picks. So yeah, you're definitely going to want to see that, guys. Our picks over there, guys, over on the Patreon have helped 43 people just this year hit 7-figure portfolios. Yes, and so many more have hit high 6 figures or mid 6 figures, depending on how much you started with. I'm telling you guys, these picks are off the charts. Our batting average is fantastic. Check out these gems, guys. Like I said, we have our daily picks. I just dropped another 100x microcap gem over there as well. A nice RWA play. We're live every day. We have a mentorship coaching program. Jump over there, book yourself into our mentorship coaching calls. We do them daily. They're free as a Patreon member. So check that out. While things are down like this, it's the perfect time to take advantage of this kind of situation, guys. So jump aboard. The link is down below. Educational content. Learn everything you need to know, from exit strategies to portfolio structure to when to take profits to how to identify where liquidity is in the market so that you can exit the market with your profits intact. Because guess what? If you're trying to put your sell orders where there's no buy orders, you're going to get stuck holding your crypto, right? Learn how to avoid these problems, guys. Get over to the Patreon. Check it out. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.